Hey, art students, I'm just doing my weekly update in regards to what is due this week. You do have a major summative assignment due this week, so please make sure if you have not checked Schoology, you know exactly what you need to hand in. Also, if you did not set up a Zoom account and you did not conference call with me last week, I need you to set that up ASAP. Tomorrow is my first opportunity for you to get a hold of me. That is my study hall time from 8 to 9 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. And then you can also get a hold of me on Tuesday. That is from 1 to 2:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. And then Wednesday, 11 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. And then if you just can't get a hold of me those days, you can make an appointment with me on Thursday. That is also the day that we do demonstrations. So you will want to be checking the Google document to see what the demonstration is for this week if you would like to be involved in that. Please make sure you're checking Schoology. You do have a major assignment due. And if you guys have any questions, just let me know. I'll talk to you later.